Hey, it's Marco Rostam again. In today's episode, we are going to look at another project from my latest sample pack, Progresso. In this pack, you will find the most accurate project you will ever see, so you can achieve the sound your favorite producers are using. Also, it has 15 project files, so with the help of this pack, you will learn all these 15 styles very fast. Link is in the description down below. Okay, let's go, Lucas and Steve. Let's take a look at the lead first. We have light knees. Without the effect, it sounds like this. With it, for the bass. And it's up. Then we have piano. Also, we have guitar loop. Together, it sounds like this. Let's take a look at the drums. We have kicks, the rise, hi-hats, and claps. Then we have some atmosphere layers. Down lifters. And some sweeper. Together, it sounds like this. For the second part of the drops, we have one new element, which is a hi-hat loop. Let's take a listen. All together. And that's it for today's video. If you want to grab this project, make sure to check the link down below. Also, if you have any questions for this project, or my sample pack, or even just some random stuff, you can drop a comment down below or join my Discord server and we can talk there. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.